Hello and welcome back into my channel. Today in this video we are going to unbox a multimeter. So let's see what's inside this pack. So I am buying this product from Amazon. You can also buy this product from Amazon. I'll put all the information link in my video description. So this is a Maxtech digital multimeter, 1999 count display, and the highest DC voltage 600 and AC 600 volt you can measure, and DC current 10 ampere and resistance 2 milliohm. The data hold, backlight, overload protection. So this is a good Maxtech multimeter. So all the measurements are there, technical specifications and all, and it costs nearly 898 rupees including all taxes. So I'm going to open this pack, and this is multimeter hold, the button, and this is a LCD display and backlight and rotary switch is there, input socket, all things are there. So let's open this pack. So here we have the main product. So I'm going to open this. So let's cut this tape. So it is fully protected. For the base protection purpose, this is there, this plastic is there. So the operator's instruction manual, all the instructions are there, you can go through it. So this is a battery, this is a 9-volt battery. So firstly cut this. So I'm going to test this. So along with this product you can get this cable. Okay, this is a good for protection purpose. This plastic is there. This is a good length, 1 meter length cable. So this is our main product. This is backlight, hold option is there. This is a good plastic cover, and to insert the battery I have to open this. So let's take a screwdriver. So I have this toolbox. Now I'm going to use the screwdriver. So let's tighten this. Now I'm going to let's screw. I'm opening the screw now. For inserting the battery you have to open this. Okay, now I am going to use this newest battery. Along with this product you can get this battery. So the positive, negative. This is a good leather cover for the protection purpose, not to short circuit. Okay, now this is inserted goodly. Let's tighten this screw. the few warnings are there. So few warnings are there to avoid electric shock. So now let's start this. Okay, for AC voltage you have to use this the rotary switch, and to measure DC voltage, so this is the common, and this is AC DC voltage, volt ohm milliampere. So the common wire, this is black. So now I am going to measure the ohm. Okay, to measure any short circuit you have to use this option, the red one. So you can hear the beep sound. AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance, ohm and ampere, all the options are there. This is for diode, 2K, 20K, all the options are there. Ohm diodes and all options are there. So let's turn it off, and this is a cover, good cover. So this is a good table stand, you can get this. So that's all for our today's video. If you are new into my channel, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.